The first lecture we studied the singular functions, step function, ramp function and impulse function and wave synthesis. अभी उसके आगे बढ़ते हैं और हमें कुछ लाप्लास के फॉर्मूला पता होने चाहिए कुछ फंक्शंस के। लाप्लास क्या होता है ये तो पता ही था मैंने। इम्पल्स का लाप्लास 1 होता है, स्टेप का 1/s², रैम्प का 1/s², t into ut multiply by the step function by t, then take the Laplace, it will give the ramp function Laplace 1/s², t to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 ut Laplace होगा s to the power n and e to the power minus at ut Laplace is 1/s plus a, t to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 e to the power minus alpha t ut Laplace will be 1/s to the power s plus alpha to the power n. sin omega t का लाप्लास होता है ओमेगा अपॉन s स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. लाप्लास ऑफ cos omega t इज इक्वल टू s स्क्वायर अपॉन s स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. लाप्लास ऑफ e टू द पावर माइनस अल्फा t sin omega t इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा अपॉन s प्लस अल्फा टू द पावर का स्क्वायर s प्लस अल्फा होल स्क्वायर ओमेगा स्क्वायर e टू द पावर माइनस अल्फा t cos omega t लाप्लास इज s plus alpha whole square plus omega t square. All these are very important. Sin omega t, cos omega t, e to the power alpha t and cos and sin. These Laplace are generally used in solving the problems when you convert the time domain function into frequency domain function. You have to know the value of the Laplace of these functions. These are the basic functions every time used in the solving the networks. This is next. Now you should remember these formulas or these Laplace of the important functions. Thereafter we will start Laplace of periodic function. Periodic function का मतलब what is the meaning of the periodic function? The waveform or the function should be repeat at a regular interval. For example, this sinusoidal wave repeating after a time interval t, positive half cycle, negative half cycle. Thereafter, after time t, it is positive, negative. After 2t, positive, negative. After a continuous interval of time interval t, the wave is repeating or obeying the sine rule. So this is a sinusoidal wave. There may be so many types of repeating functions. Maybe triangular, rectangular, sawtooth, trapezium, any type of repeated periodic function which repeats after a certain interval. That function is known as periodic function. You have to find the Laplace of periodic function. So first cycle is 0 to t, t to 2t, 2 to 3t. This function appears in many useful problems. Satisfy the condition. What is the meaning of satisfying the condition? The same function appears after capital T time, 2t time, 3t time. The same type of wave repeats as in the case of sinusoidal wave for all t greater than 0. Now we take the Laplace of intervals 0 to t f t to the power minus c dt. Another interval is t to 2t f t to the power minus t dt. This is the standard formula for finding the Laplace for a given time period. So multiply the function by e to the power minus t and take the integration with respect to t dt, and this is 2t to 3t ft st dt up to n cycles. So we are first cycle is 0 to t ft e to the power minus t as it is. We are considering the second cycle t to 2t interval ft to the power minus t. And here we are substituting in place of t plus capital T in this function. Then if you take the different derivative with respect to small t, because capital T is a constant value and the differentiation of the constant value is 0. So dt is equal to dt. If you substitute the lower limit of this function capital T, then the lower limit for this function now becomes t is equal to 0. Then for upper limit You substitute the upper limit here in place of t, 2t, 2t minus t, the upper limit becomes t. So the limit of this function becomes, now the limit of this function is, or this function you can write t to 2t function at t dt is equal to e to the power minus st dt. You can write this limit 0 to t, and in place of t you can write f t plus capital T, in place of t in e to the power t plus capital T, in place of dt dt. So this function nature becomes of this type. But you know, here we know ft plus 1 is nothing but ft. So this function is ft e to the power minus s t plus t into dt. You can simplify in another step, e to the power minus st minus s capital T dt. So you can write this function 0 to t ft e to the power minus st small and minus s capital T dt. Or you can write this e to the power minus st, take outside, 0 to capital T ft e to the power minus st dt. So this function t to 2t limit ft e to the power minus st dt becomes e to the power minus st 0 to t limit. Here limit is t to 2t, e to the power st ft e to the power minus st dt. Similarly, you can convert this function also in this fashion. The same value come. We examine what the value of this function after replacing the t by t plus 2t. So this is ft for second cycle or e to the power minus st dt. Substitute here t is equal to t plus 2t. So dt again becomes dt because capital T is constant value 0. Now lower limit substitute in place of t to t, small t 2t is equal to t plus 2t. So lower limit becomes 0. Now upper limit, we consider the upper limit. For considering the upper limit, substituting t is equal to 3t. Here substitute 3t is equal to t plus 2t. So t is equal to 3t minus 2t is equal to t. Now this function t to 2t to 3t, f of t plus 2t e to the power minus s t plus 2t, in place of dt is dt. So you can write this function. Now the lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t, and this is the value of function, this function, it is the value of function 0 to 2t to this is the value of function limit 2 to t 3t ft e to the power minus st dt. You can write in this fashion, and you know from the periodic function behavior ft is equal to f of t plus 2t. So you can replace this function by ft e to the power minus st minus 2st dt. This is equal to 0 to t ft e to the power minus st into e to the power minus 2st dt. To take the e to the power minus 2st outside, limit 0 to t ft e to the power minus t dt. Now substituting these values in this function, Laplace of you can substitute here, limit 0 to t ft e to the power minus st dt. Second function limit also same, 0 to t ft e to the power minus outside, right in the outside, e to the power minus st. This value e to the power minus st, limit 0 to t ft e to the power minus st dt. Third function, this value e to the power minus 2st, limit 0 to t ft e to the power minus t dt, and so on. So take outside 0 to t ft e to the power minus st dt. Here the remaining part is 1 here. Here e to the power minus st plus e to the power minus 2st and so on. So this is forming a geometrical progression. First term is 1, common ratio is e to the power minus st. This is infinite GP. So the sum of infinite GP is, so the Laplace of ft, periodic function, is equal to limit 0 to t ft e to the power minus st dt, and this is the Laplace of first pulse or first 0 to 2 terminal, and the sum of this is, first term is 1 and 1 minus the sum of that type of series forming GP, 1 plus a plus ar plus and so on. So infinite, the sum of this series is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r. So here first term is 1, common ratio is, or you can take r square. So this is common ratio is here 1. So here also common ratio is e to the power minus st. So the meaning of Laplace of periodic function is equal to Laplace of one cycle Laplace divided by 1 minus e to the power minus st. This is the periodic theorem for the periodic functions or repeated functions. This is the periodic theorem. This you can directly apply for the repeated functions. When functions are repeated, then you can find the Laplace directly applying this theorem. Apply for the one cycle Laplace and divided by e to the power minus st. Now, some important problems generally came in the examinations. So, first problem, first numerical for the terminated truncated ramp waveform shown in the figure below. Find out Laplace transform of Vt. Laplace transform find out करना है given waveform. This is the waveform. we take the wave synthesis in the previous lecture. Here, this is terminated truncated waveform or voltage Vt of this nature. You have to find the Laplace transform of this waveform. This is T0, this is 2T0. This is time axis and this is the magnitude 1 unit magnitude. So you have to find the Laplace of this waveform. To find the Laplace, you have to consider the nature of the waveform. What is the nature of the waveform and what are the changes in the waveform? 0 to T0, no change in the waveform. Thereafter, the nature of the waveform is step function. First, consider the slope of this. Height is 1 and T0 is the base. So the slope of this ramp is this function Vt is equal to slope of this function is 1 upon T0, multiply always by the slope to the ramp function starting from 0, so Rt. Thereafter, it becoming step function. Step can be only when a same slope ramp is allowed at t minus t0. At the t0, if you are allowing a ramp of the same value but opposite slope, then only it becomes step function. So t0 or t minus t0. Thereafter, it becomes step but not allowing this step after 2t0. It is only possible same magnitude but opposite sign, step is allowed at 2t0. So this function, third one is u of t minus 20. If you take the Laplace of this function is equal to Vs 1 upon t0. Laplace of Rt is 1 upon s square, 1 upon s square, and this is delayed function e to the power minus t0 into s minus Laplace 1 upon s e to the power minus 2t0 s. So this is Laplace transform of this function. कितने देर हो गई? कितने देर पे हो गई?
17 मिनट.